Hi guys, I'm home. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Imana and today I am filming my night routine. So as you can see, I've come through the door, I'm about to set my bag down, and after this, the very first thing that I do is I go to the bathroom because I drink about 75 ounces of water a day, and yeah. So after that, I hop in the shower because I also take public transportation to work. And yeah, I just feel really dirty when I get off. So I hop in the shower and then I continue on to my evening. For those of you who are new here, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and share with a friend. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. A little bit of a different scenery. I have no makeup on, so please don't judge me, but I am filming my very first night routine. So as you can see, I've already came home, I've taken a shower, I got some comfortable clothes on, and I'm gonna go on ahead and fold up some clothes, and then I'm finally gonna be able to relax. Now that I am all finished with my little evening chores, I am now able to just kind of chill and relax in my living room, which is one of my favorite spots in my apartment. Right here, I am just checking my YouTube analytics, just doing a little bit of work, but not working too hard, and of course, watching Gossip Girl. Okay, so we're in my kitchen and I'm about to start making dinner. I am making vegan sloppy joes tonight, so I'm super duper excited. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. Okay, so I have my beefless ground that I'll be using. So this is gonna be like your substitute for ground beef, so I'm gonna use this. The recipe calls for a can of lentils, but Trader Joe's didn't have them, neither did Kroger. So I ended up having to get these lentils, and I'm just gonna kind of boil them and then add them in with my beefless ground. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of like barbecue sauce. And this is barbecue sauce that I got from Trader Joe's as well. So we're just gonna kind of like hop into this dinner, and I'm probably also gonna have me a couple of rustic potatoes with mine. So if you wanted to do like fries or like tater tots or hush puppies, you can do that as well. But I'm just gonna go on ahead and do potatoes because that's what I have. So I hope that you guys enjoy this if you try it at home. But normally after I kind of chill and relax on a day where I'm not editing or uploading or anything, I just come home and I chill, and now I'm about to start cooking. So let's hop into the pots. chilling, watching some Gossip Girl. I got my dinner right here, and I really just kind of like relax, or if I'm not watching this, then I'm like on FaceTime with someone or just talking to someone. But like when I'm not editing, which takes like the longest time, or if I'm not like planning on uploading or something like that, I really just have time to just like chill and relax and just kind of like decompress from my day. So I'm probably gonna sit here and watch like an episode or two of Gossip Girl. Also, side note, my dinner is actually super bomb, but I have made the sloppy joes with canned lentils before, and I must say I like those a lot better than I like these lentils. So if you're gonna try a recipe like this, really try to see if you can find like canned lentils. But if not, I mean, these are still good. I can just still like taste a difference, if you know what I mean. But yeah, dinner's great. Gossip Girl's great. So yeah.
So now's when I really wind down. I go on ahead and I make me a cup of tea. I make my own blend, so right now I'm having a lemon chamomile tea, and it just really puts me to sleep at night. It's so soothing and relaxing. It's one of my favorites to go to sleep to. I make it every night with a little bit of sugar and honey, and then I go in my room, I journal, I read my book, and then I drift off into my dreams.
Time for me to go to bed, but every night before I go to bed, I journal and I check my planner one more time. I know I checked it earlier today, but I normally check it again. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna go ahead and journal, light my candles, and yeah, so we are going to finally finish getting wounded down for the night. And normally while I'm doing this, I'll listen to like jazz music, really, really relaxing, soothing music that just puts me in a mellow mood to, you know, just drift off into my dreams. So the candle that I have tonight is a lemon scented candle, and I use this because it goes with the smell of my lemongrass chamomile tea. So it's just like a really nice soothing smell to go to bed to. So as I'm journaling, I always start off with the date and the time. And then when I'm journaling, I know some people ask me, you know, like, what do you journal about? Or, you know, how do you start journaling and things like that? And sometimes I just think about like my day, and I think about, you know, was it a good day? Was it a bad day? Are there any goals that I want to achieve? I just like think about a lot of stuff, honestly. And literally like whatever comes to mind, I journal about and I write about. And I just make sure that like before I go to bed, I am just mentally empty. Like, you know, I'm not holding anything in. And there we have it. So I have completely just kind of, I have completely just, you know, emptied my mind, and I feel better. All of the stress that I had coming in, you know, it's gone. And I feel much better. So if you journal or if you don't journal, I highly encourage you to do so, because it is so refreshing and therapeutic, and it's just nice to know that like you're going to bed with a clear mind. So yeah. In my agenda, really what I'm doing is I am on my no spend binge right now. So I really just go in to give myself my check mark that I've earned for the day, because I'm not doing any spending. I didn't spend any money, so I get my check mark. Sometimes I'll write about how I'm feeling about my no spend binge. Like, do I feel good? Do I feel bad? things like that if I feel the need to write something down. And so now guys, this brings us to the end of my night routine. Normally after I do this, I will go on ahead and read a chapter out of my book, or sometimes I'll just watch a YouTube video or something like that. But that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. I hope this video was super relaxing to you, and I really just kind of showed you, what my night routine is typically like. But if you did like the dinner that I had, I will have that recipe linked down below in the description box, so you can just tap that and follow me on Pinterest. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share with a friend. And guys, I will see you in my next video.